photo ꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯆꯦꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯗꯅꯀꯣ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯦꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯤ ꯇꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯦ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯊꯪ ꯇꯧ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯄꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯥꯒꯦ?
First, your name and your designation.
Yeah, my name is Trikilamam Gitchandra. I am a Joint Secretary of Layingkol Kanbalup. Presently, we are staging a sit-in protest against the forced displacement of this village, as we have been fighting since 2005. Recently, the government of Manipur has also decided to displace this place without proper survey and proper rehabilitations in other place. So we have been staying here since 1940s, as Layingkol has been established by the lepers and the TB patients, which has been ostracized by the society for many years. So we have been developed as a village, as a community, and later on the government has decided to expand the High Court, as the High Court has requested for 20 acres from the government to construct this High Court complex in the state, but the state government has given 42 acres, including our village. So we are residing in 21 acres, including all the community lanes, as well as the 156 household with a total population of 759, including 200 plus students. So this village is a truly organic village in a city, but the government has decided to displace without having any humanitarian approach and with a proper rehabilitation.
Did any dialogue between authorities and the people here?
Yeah, we have been seeking a dialogue with the governor as well as the bureaucrats, but they refused to talk with us. But before that, we had been invited to talk with the High Court official, which the lane has been officially in the name of High Court, as the government has allotted to them. So we had talked with the High Court official and we addressed our concern with them, but they refused to hear our voice, and they took their own decision without knowing our sentiments.
Okay. What is the demand for the people, like any kind of agitation or any kind of...
The actual demand is we want to survive in this village, and we survive for many years, more than 80 years in this village, so this is very organic, and we demand to have a village as in a status quo, and we like to protect our village. And also the High Court, they have taken the required areas, so they doesn't need to expand the village, and they doesn't need to expand village the expand lane for this construction. So the actual demand is to protect our village and to protect our Meitei village.
Will you agree if the government has given one place for relocation? Will you agree on that?
It will come after a proper survey, a scientific survey, which is led between the government and the people of Manipur with a mutual understanding, but there is no understanding with the government and the people till now. So that will be decided later with the consultation, proper consultation. Yeah.